All right, and we are cutting across to breaking news coming in. These are pictures from outside the court where the two terrorists have now been brought out. I want to bring in Sumi, who's tracking details on the same. Sumi, what has happened in this hearing, and where are these terrorists now being taken?
Yes, certainly a lot of arguments are being made by the Uttar Pradesh police as to why they need police custody for the thorough investigation of this entire case. And for that matter, they are also representing various evidences that the ATS has recovered yesterday in the raid that they had conducted. And that raid, let me just again run our audience through this, that the raid was conducted for close to 4 to 5 hours. And it was a rigorous raid that was conducted at various locations. For this particular location had a lot of commandos, NSG commandos, Uttar Pradesh police, and also ATS, various teams of it, conducting these raids and also trying to recover everything that could help them in connecting the dots regarding this case. Let me also tell you that there was a terrorist cell called Ghazwat-ul-Hind. This is the terrorist cell that they were operating with, and in fact this terrorist cell is also in connection with the Pakistan-Afghanistan based Al-Qaeda faction, and which is why this is important. And in fact the series of suicide bombings were being planned by these people, and maps have been recovered which supports the fact even further. And in fact we've also learned that the security arrangements of all these significant places have been heightened after the recoveries, and close monitoring has been done. And Uttar Pradesh, it is safe to say that Uttar Pradesh is in high alert right now, and any movement into the national capital via Yamuna Expressway or Delhi-Agra Expressway is also being closely inspected by the Uttar Pradesh police. And in fact, let's not forget this very fact that the series of suicide bombings were getting planned with an intention to cause maximum amount of damage to life and property, and also to give this sense out just ahead of Independence Day, which is on 15th August. So
Sumi, but it's very important to tell our viewers at this point to how politics is now happening over these anti-terror operations, because Mayawati is questioning the timing of these developments. She is now saying that considering the UP elections are ahead, what has to be said about this ATS probe? So Mayawati is questioning the timing of the ATS probe ahead of the assembly polls, and there is politics now happening over these anti-terror operations. Very unfortunate, Sumi, that the two should be mixed and to be connected, because terror is something not just the entire nation but the entire globe is fighting. But Mayawati is now linking this UP ATS probe to the UP elections. She's saying that the timing is precarious considering the assembly polls are soon to occur in the state of Uttar Pradesh. So now we see politics also happening over this at a time when the UP police is going all out to conduct search operations to find out the accomplices of these terrorists, when the UP police is demanding custody of these terrorists. Mayawati is questioning the timing of the ATS probe, Sumi.
Yeah, as you correctly pointed out that this is very unfortunate that the opposition is not on the same page with the state government. That will certainly hurt the encouragement that is very well needed from the opposition as well, because it is not just Mayawati. For the benefit of our viewers, I will also like to highlight this very fact that this morning Republic Media Network had broken this particular news, this particular fact that Akhilesh Yadav has also been questioning the entire investigation, and he said that he doesn't trust the state government and also the Uttar Pradesh police entirely when it comes to this particular matter.
So it is out by Mayawati. The tweet that reads, and I quote, "This type of action creates doubts in the minds of the people only when the general elections to the UP Assembly are approaching. If there is truth behind this action, then why was the police oblivious for so long? This is the question people are asking. Therefore, the government should not take any such action which will increase unrest among people," unquote. Sumi, I just read out the exact tweet that has been put out by Mayawati, where, of course, we've been saying how she's linking the UP ATS probe to the UP Assembly elections. but also insinuating that people on the ground could be thinking the same, and this could create unrest, Sumi.
Certainly, it is always better to be late than never. That is a popular saying, and I might be wrong in this regard as well. But when the ATS received such concrete inputs about the presence of IED explosives and a cooker set, and also such explosive materials which were used and which were employed to make the suicide bombers, this is certainly something very important to note, that the opposition is now questioning the entire timing of it, considering the elections just round the corner early next year.